This video walks you through how to view an asset page on eToro. Start on the eToro platform and look to the top of the screen for the search bar. This is where you can quickly find a specific asset without scrolling through menus or categories. Click inside the search bar to place your cursor there and get ready to enter the asset you want to view. Next, type the asset name or its ticker symbol into the bar. For example, you might enter Apple or AAPL. As you type, eToro will usually begin showing matching results. If several results appear, take a moment to read them carefully so you choose the one that matches the asset you want. This matters when assets have similar names or when there are different markets linked to related symbols. Once you see the correct result, click the asset from the search list. That action opens the asset page, which is where eToro gathers the main details and tools for that market. If the results update while you are typing, wait briefly for the list to settle before selecting the asset. After the asset page opens, move to the Overview tab. This section gives you a broad snapshot of the asset at a glance. You can review the current price, recent performance, key statistics, and other market information shown there. This tab is useful when you want a quick read on how the asset is behaving without moving through the rest of the page first. From there, continue exploring the asset page by opening the other available tabs. The Chart tab lets you look at price movement visually. The Analysis tab gives you more market commentary and related insight. The News tab brings together recent updates connected to the asset. The Financials tab shows more detailed company or market data when that information is available. Each tab presents a different view, so you can move between them depending on the kind of information you want to check. When you are ready to take action, use the controls available on the asset page. You can add the asset to your watch list if you want to keep track of it from your account. You can also set a price alert if you want eToro to notify you when the asset reaches a level you are watching. If your goal is to place an order, use the trade option to open a trade directly from the same page by moving from Search to Selection to the Overview and additional tabs. You can review the asset and decide what to do next from one place. You have now opened and viewed an asset page on eToro.